No way. That's crazy.
I recently had the incredible opportunity to visit Starkey headquarters in Minneapolis to be fitted for brand new Edge AI hearing aids. The process started with an in-depth hearing assessment. The team walked me through every step, making sure it felt comfortable and informed, from the test to the molds to trying them on for the first time.
I've never heard that part.
It's okay.
Oh,
Emotional
I'm
experience.
crying.
So over the past 10 years, we've helped thousands of patients acquire the same results. And I've noticed that many people wait years before going to get their first hearing check. And I've noticed most of those people wait because, sometimes they're in denial that they have hearing loss. Some are embarrassed to wear hearing aids or care about what other people think about them wearing hearing aids. Sometimes it's finances, or they don't even know that the insurance covers hearing aids. And the bad part is, a lot of these patients don't know that they can have a way more improved quality of life just by hearing better. You get to communicate better with your loved ones, family, friends, and so forth. So if you or someone you know is here in the Montebello area or local here in Los Angeles, we are always welcoming patients to come in, get a free hearing test and consultation, and we also offer trials. So send that person you know, or if it's you, come on in. We'll help you get started in your journey to better hearing.